Hello, and thank you for contacting Barcelona Law Offices regarding your asylum case. I know you have a lot of questions about what it is you can do in an asylum case. Well, if you are watching this video, it's because you called our office about what is called defensive asylum. Defensive asylum is when someone is put in deportation or removal proceedings. Removal proceedings are essentially proceedings that the government opens where you go before a judge and we have to prove your case. In this case, we have to show why you should get asylum. Now, typically in asylum cases, we can apply for three things. We can apply for asylum, withholding of removal, and convention against torture. The three are similar but different. Asylum is for people who are afraid to return to their country because they've been persecuted on a number of grounds: political opinion, being part of a particular social group, their gender, and other reasons. Withholding of removal is a little bit different. It does not entitle a person to become a resident in the future, but it essentially stops someone or withholds someone from being removed from the United States. Convention against torture is something that allows you to remain in the United States with a work permit where we can prove that you would be tortured by your government or at government acquiescence, meaning that the government does not do anything to prevent you from being tortured. With these types of cases, we need documentation from you. We are going to need evidence of the persecution. And by persecution, I mean the reason that you are being threatened. So please go ahead and start collecting your documents and give us a call once you are ready to start your case. You can give us a call at 626-898-7200 to schedule an appointment with us. The documents that we need from you should have been provided to you in a list through an email, but I will summarize. It is any document that you think will help us in proving that you are afraid to return to your country of origin. It can be newspaper articles, medical records, affidavits, or declarations from people who witnessed the harm that was done against you. If you have photographs of your injuries, those are also very important. We may need you to go to a psychiatrist to get a report to show that you are suffering trauma. If you already have a report, please provide it to us. I know that we also have questions about work permits. Well, under the current administration, the Biden administration, as of 2022, has stated that persons can apply for a work permit after 150 days of having their asylum application pending. That means that once your application is submitted, you wait 150 days. Keep in mind that those 150 days means the waiting period of your case. If for some reason we have to have a master calendar hearing, those days will not be counted between your first court date and your second court date. Please keep in mind that if you are applying for asylum, you only have 1 year from the date of your entry to apply for asylum. This means that you have to fill out the I-589 form, and you must submit it to the immigration court or send a copy to USCIS with proof so that you can lodge or submit your application before the 1 year deadline. And that is 1 year from the date of your entry. Thank you again for watching. And again, I am Noreen Barsana. I am a certified immigration law specialist in Pasadena, California. I'm actively licensed by the State Bar of California, and I, again, am an immigration specialist. Feel free to give us a call at 626-898-7200 if you have any other questions.